The secret AI business that no one talks about. This tool allows you to earn $2 to $4 from each person you refer to other newsletters. The crazy part is, you don't need to sell anything. Your only requirement is to run your own newsletters and gather free traffic from social media pages. As a beginner, it's easy to set up this business. You just need to know how to drive traffic to your newsletters. However, with the rise of AI, you can now easily create viral videos. With an AI tool called Opus Pro, you can instantly transform YouTube videos into viral short clips with captions and auto-framing. If you post them on different social media pages, you can easily drive in free traffic and earn $2 to $4 for each person you get to sign up for other newsletters. This tool costs about $99 a month, but you only need 25 referrals to cover that. I use this tool myself, and I was scared that I wouldn't break even. But in the first 24 hours, I made over $250. If you're interested in how much I made with this strategy, and if you want to know more about this, feel free to get the full blueprint in my bio.